Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into your Likee account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So as you can see on my screen that I've already installed Likee app from Play Store. You can also get it through App Store or Play Store, and after that simply tap on it to open it. This is a particular homepage which is a public one and it's not my private homepage. So to simply get logged in, all I have to do is tap on this me option with the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the very first page of getting logged in. I'm going to log in with one of my phone number that I've used to create my account. So I'm going to tap on phone option just next to Facebook. Tap on it. So I've already inserted my number and my number with the country code as well. Then I'm going to tap on sign up and log in with phone. You can see that, and I can insert my password over here. So I am going to keep my password just like this, and when I'm done I am going to tap on login option just below. You can see I'm being simply logged in. Alright, you can see that this is my particular profile over here, and going to the home. Now I can see more of the videos that I like. It means I've got simply logged into my own Likee account. So this is how you do it. This is how you get logged into your Likee account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.